Hello students, my name is Harvinder Kaur. Today I will discuss with you about the reading section. Let's start while introducing our reading section. Basically in the reading we get three long passages that we have to cover in just only 1 hour. The 1 hour here is the toughest challenge for the students, as if they cover 13 to 14 questions, usually their passage 1 in just only 20 minutes, then they can easily manage their time. So this is the trick here to manage your time. The second one here we get a lot of types of questions. First one is true, false, not given. If we are getting 100% information in the text, then we have to mark true. If our information contradicts somewhere, then we have to mark false. If there is something missing information, we have to mark not given. The next one type is very similar to the true, false, not given. That is yes, no, not given. The difference over here is that in the yes, no, not given, you have to look at the opinions, but in the true, false, not given, you have to look at the facts. The next one type is called the labeling of the diagram. We have to describe the different parts of the diagram. We can get our answer in the first section of the passage, or either we can get it in the middle of the passage, or either it can be at the end of the passage. The next one type is called that is fill-ups. Here we have to use some instructions, like if they are providing use no more than 3 words. That means we can write 3-word answer or 2-word, or either we can write 1-word answer. But we can't write our answer beyond the limit. The next one type is called the questions. Here is also we have to use our instructions. If by reading instructions we can give our answers, we can give our suitable answer. The next one type is called match heading. This is one of the challenging tasks for students, as they oftenly used to read the passage in the last instead of reading the they mostly read the list of the headings first. But you are totally doing wrong. Like, you have to read the passage first, and then you have to match your suitable title from the list of the heading. So this one is the whole tips and tricks related to the reading section.